Hello and welcome back to our channel. You've come to the perfect place if you've ever asked how to ensure that the funds you worked so hard to achieve will last a lifetime. 3 effective tactics that can help you attain financial stability and maximize your money are what we're going to talk about with you today. Nobody wants to finish their work and go into retirement fearing they won't have enough money. But sadly, 56% of Americans are concerned about running out of money in retirement. It's more crucial than ever to be ready for retirement, since everyone who retires wants the peace of mind that comes with knowing their retirement savings will last a lifetime. There are some actions you can take to preserve your wealth and increase your financial stability, while there is no quick fix that would ensure you never run out of money. Use these 3 strategies to make your money last a lifetime rather than fretting about running out of money in retirement. Diversify your income. Diversifying your income is a fantastic approach to extending the life of your retirement savings. The fact is that your income will always be your most effective means of accumulating money, regardless of your net worth. Because of this, having numerous sources of income is preferable to having one steady income stream. The same principles that govern diverse investments also apply to diversified income sources. They enable less pressure and demand on any one income source so that, in the event of an unforeseen disaster, the remaining income streams could take over. Your income can be diversified in a variety of ways, such as, invest in property. A wonderful strategy to generate passive income without using your retirement funds is to own rental properties. Trusts that invest in real estate, REITs, are another popular option. Keep generating income by working. Additionally, you might follow a passion, work for a non-profit, or as a freelancer. Although you will make less money than you do today, all of these options will give you flexibility and a way to diversify your income, which will help your retirement savings last longer. Use stocks that pay dividends. Dividend-paying stocks provide business earnings to investors, often once every 3 months, and are frequently regarded as annuity-like payment streams. Even over time, the best dividend-paying stocks increase their dividends. This provides you with a source of income, and you can reinvest the dividends to pursue further growth. Avoid overspending and invest for growth. Do you have plans for your newfound independence in retirement? Many people begin by pursuing all the activities they were unable to do while employed, such as globe travel, taking up a new hobby, house renovation, and so forth. However, a lot of individuals misjudge how much money they'll need in the initial years of retirement. With so much free time, it's simple to spend a lot of money on several small things that eventually add up. Establish a thorough, but reasonable, budget for your retirement years to prevent overspending. Budgeting for extra costs, such as a vacation or taking up a new activity, is possible, but you should first consider how doing so would affect your nest egg. Avoiding excessive spending is one way to ensure that your retirement income lasts, but another one is to put any extra funds in stocks rather than fixed income investments like bonds. Since retirees typically invest in more conservative investments to preserve a consistent income, this may seem paradoxical. But several experts have voiced worries about the sustainability of retirement plans that have a higher proportion toward bonds while bond rates remain historically low and inflation hits record highs. The fixed income portion is unquestionably necessary, but it's also critical to think about incorporating assets with higher growth potential to stay up with inflation and retain your capacity to withdraw money annually. Don't rob yourself of years, or even decades, of potential growth by failing to invest in a manner that is appropriate in your mind. How you take your distributions can make a big impact when it comes to taking money out of your retirement accounts. Your retirement income is probably derived from several resources, such as employer-sponsored retirement plans, Social Security, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or other income-producing investments. If you plan how and when you'll remove from each asset, correctly structured investments can assist minimize your tax burden because each asset has different tax characteristics. Regarding your funds, a $50,000 payout from a Roth IRA will have a much different tax impact than the same distribution from a regular IRA. Blindly withdrawing your assets might set off an avalanche of rising Social Security taxes, investment surtaxes, capital gains taxes, and even higher Medicare premiums, which would deplete the savings that were meant to get you through retirement. You may make the most of your retirement savings and enhance your financial status by developing a withdrawal strategy and a tax plan. The 3 most efficient techniques to making your money last a lifetime are as follows. Keep in mind that with careful planning, savvy investments, and careful spending, you may achieve financial stability. Give it a thumbs up and tell your friends about it if you liked the video and found the advice useful. Remember to follow my channel for more content.